Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about protein, the building blocks of healing and reversing chronic illness. Now I know protein's been a hot topic for a while, but here's the thing. It's absolutely essential for your body's repair and healing. You can't build muscle, repair tissue, or support your immune system without protein. And guess what? Your body can't store it for later. So you need to get it daily. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consume adequate protein not only have better muscle mass, but also experience reduced inflammation and improved metabolic health. Whether you're getting protein from grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, or plant-based sources like lentils or chickpeas, you need it to help your body rebuild and recover. Protein also helps keep your blood sugar stable, reducing inflammation and promoting better energy levels. So if you're feeling sluggish or run down, it could be a sign you need more protein in your diet. Build your body back stronger with the power of protein. Healing starts with the right foundation.